Hello everyone, here I am unboxing Stylidium debile. Commonly known as the frail trigger plant, is a carnivorous dicotyledonous plant that belongs to the genus Stylidium. Planted in peat moss, perlite, and mostly sphagnum moss. Stylidium debile endemic to coastal areas in Queensland and New South Wales, Australia. This plant forms a rosette of 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter. Also, it was a gift when I purchased 2 plants, which I will upload next. Thanks for the gift. Part of the flowers and stems have sticky glands that capture and digest insects. The unique feature of this plant is that the flower possesses an appendage consist of female and male sexual organs. This appendage is set aside when it is ready to pollinate. When a pollinator visits the flower, this appendage knocks on the back of the pollinator, covering it with pollens. Thanks for watching my Carnivorous plants.